सभी को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम उदय सिंह है। हम यहाँ हर वीडियो में मैथ्स के एक एक टॉपिक को लेकर के उनको कवर करेंगे और उनकी जो क्वेरीज आएंगी उनको भी क्लियर करेंगे। हेलो एवरीवन, क्लास 7th मैथ्स ICSE बोर्ड चैप्टर नंबर 1 is concept of sets. What is a set? Set is the collection of the element of any things. List of items and collection of items, it called be set. We can write in the form of different way as counting, table, tabular form, set builder form, and different types. Generally you discuss of the sets as you have many things in your house. First of all, as bed sheet with pillow, it's called be set. You have the pen set, you have more than one pen, you have the dinner set, you have the tea set, you have book sets of the class 7th. It called be all sets. Generally discuss to the every list of the need of at a time are called a set as geometry box set. You can use for the mathematical sum construction different things as compass, scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener is combined of this items. It called be set of geometry box. In case you discuss any other things, any other large scales of the sets, then the sets of a different item, then you have in your house are many items. List of this all called be set. As you study in a mathematics is a number and you can write is a counting number as it called be natural number, and as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on it called be natural number. Then if you add 0 in natural number, it called be whole number. And you consider the positive and negative all numbers, all natural numbers with 0, it called be integers. As you write the set is a natural number represent carrying as this n is a natural number, and you can write is 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the second whole number as you can represent is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And any integers as you can write is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It called be integers. Now you have the different sets, and in case you write the list of the item of your bag, it also sets. And representation of the sets is notation of set in the capital letter as A, B, C, D capital letters represent करेंगे. Then X, Y, Z all are notation of this symbol as capital A, capital B, capital C, X, Y, Z. It called representation of the set in capital letter, and the element or the member of the sets represent in a small alphabets and as number. Notation for the some special sets as list of also set, and the notation as you represent this again you can write a set is A have A, B, C and so on are alphabet, and outside A is a capital A is denoted by a set, but small a, B, C represent of the member of set or the alphabet. Then next type of sets we can write in two form as roster method or the tabular form, and second is rule methods or a set builder form. As we can write of the roster or the tabular form as this, as you can write as is set B is have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on as this, and you can write of this B in and our other set C as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on it is. तो you can write as a B set 1, 2, 3, यहाँ हम कोई दूसरे नंबर से ले सकते हैं as this C is A, B, C, D and so on. You can write in the set builder or tabular form. Now you can write is a rule method or the set builder form as B. Also X such that X is a natural number. And similarly you say C as a C is such that X such that X equal to A or alphabet of English alphabet. You can write in the tabular form, all tabular form in case of you write as set builder form, and set builder form write to in tabular form. You can say the list of all even natural number. You can write X as all even natural number. Means you can write is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. You represent of this all natural number as 1, 2, 3 as this, so then you can change this is tabular form in form of set builder form, and we can write is 1 set as set builder form, you write change the tabular form. Now can type of the sets. You have types of the set. First of all, finite set, and then second be infinite set, and then finite set be countable numbers. If you have some elements which you can count, it can be finite set. And second is infinite set, then you can not counting number, countingless numbers. As you say as a count of the star of universe is not countable, then it can be infinite sets. That empty set has no element of the set as denoted by 5. In case you take the example as finite set A, you can write 1, 2, 3 and 4 as the 4 element of this set, but infinite set is B. You represent, or you can say write the natural number till कहाँ तक, you not limit. Okay? You write the best player of cricket. No define definite criteria of this selection of the best cricketer. And this empty set as you represent is C, then have no element and represented by C is 5. 5 means empty set, means you have no elements. Then universal set. Universal set is the largest set as represent, and this display of this name as universal set, it can be universe as whole, complete, it can be universal set, means represented by U, capital letter U. And now is the cardinal number of the set. Cardinal number of the set is represented number of the element of set. If you have a set A is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 then represent is NA, Cartesian number of set A equal to 5. Means number of elements, it called be Cartesian number of set and represented by NA. Means N is the number of element of set A. Next is the equivalent set. Equivalent set have the equal number of elements. Equal number of elements of two sets. If you have two sets are equal number of elements, it can be equivalent set. And now is equal set. Equal set have the equal element, same element of the both set. It can be equal set. Then as you can write equivalent means you take different set is 1, 2, 3 and as B have A, B and C. 3 elements also in set B and 3 elements also in set A. Then how you say that is the equivalent set A and B. But you have is an equal set is A equal to 1, 2, 3 and second B 2, 1 and 3 also equal set, and you can write is a natural number before 4. Natural number before to 4 or less than to 4 as curve of the equal set. Now as the Venn diagrams of this chapter set as number set along with universal set. In case Venn diagram, to make the Venn diagram as set A as represented is this, as you have the some element 1, 2, 3, 4 and you say as 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A and 4 belongs to A, but you can write have is one element is 5 outside, so you say that 5 is not belongs to A. Now you represent the A set with universal set as this a Venn diagram in form of, you say it called the universal set, and you have a 1 as set A inside of universal, it called be a set A is along to with universal set. Then you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element of this. So you say A have 1, 2, 3, 4 element, but U is the all natural number sets. Now you represent of the more than one set as two sets in form of, as now consider two set as represent by two set as one is this and second is this set. A and B are disjoint set. We have no common element of set A and B, you say is disjoint set. And if you represent as this set A and second is this, so you have the some parts are common in, as this represent is A set and B set, and some have one figure as this as A and B, means A inside of the B, you have this relation of the two sets, and it also recall this name is disjoint set, and you have this overlapping set, and this is the subset. But you come to next class for representation of Venn diagrams as this form.